In this tutorial, you'll learn how to transform a line of text into a subsection header within articles on the Docsie platform. Subsection headers serve as secondary headers and do not appear in the document's table of contents when published online. To begin, locate the subsection header button on the Docsie editor toolbar. It's represented by the symbol H sign. Highlight the text you want to turn into a subsection header, or place the text insertion point on the line of text. Click the H icon on the editor toolbar. Now, you'll see your selected line of text transformed into a subsection header within your article on the Docsie platform. Note, after publishing your document online, only section headers, not subsection headers, appear in a clickable table of contents, typically located on the right side of the page below the On This Page text. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. Also, remember to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.